Welcome back my dear friend. This video I am going to show you how to screen record on your Android phone. Let's jump right in. First unlock your phone, swipe the top of the screen to open notification panel, then swipe again to open quick panel menu. Here you can try to find the screen recorder or screen recording option. Once you found them, simply tap on it and start recording. However, keep in mind if you don't find the screen recorder or screen recording button, don't worry, you can easily fix it. To do it, simply tap on the pencil icon. After that, scroll down to the very bottom, tap on add a control. Now scroll down slowly, locate at the capture section. Under you can find screen recorder. Simply tap on hold the icon, then drag it to the quick panel position. After you set your desired position, simply tap on the done button and you have successfully done. To check it work, simply swipe the page. Here you can find the screen recorder icon there. Simply tap on it, then choose the option if you like. For example, I am also select media and mic, then tap on start recording and wait to complete the counting down, and your phone is currently start recording on your phone. That's it, you have successfully done. However, if your recording is complete, to save it, simply tap on the box arrow and automatically save the recording. To find the recording on your phone, simply find your gallery app, open it and see the screen recording there. That's it guys, you are done. Consider to like this video, also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.